Okay, today let's talk about fat people. There's so many fat people, obesity people, all around the world. Because of the 21st century, the technologies we've got, and the science we've got, and the food we've got. People are eating food, lots of food because they have food, and then after eating food, they hardly even move. They drive car and then sit on the chair and hardly even move. Those are all the reasons why people are fat and disgusting and dying from lots of diseases. Blood pressure, stroke, and diabetes and all. Why? You know, it's because of our laziness that we hardly even move, and because of our carelessness, the stupidity that we eat any types of food in which we find. If we have a little bit of brain, then we have to look at what we are eating, and after eating we have to work hard and do some exercise. Without that, obviously we're gonna suffer for something. In olden days we don't have all these problems, but now we're having problems. So eat less, work hard.